is one workout which everyone knows, that would undoubtedly be push-ups. Push-ups provide an excellent building activity to the body muscles and strengthen your arms and chest. The exercise will also allow you to engage other muscles, such as strengthen the lower back and engage the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are practical muscle-building exercises that will enable you to improve your strength. With the small and consistent workout, you will allow yourself to have a proper body strength and routine. It will provide you with leverage for their exercises. With a more and repetitive interval of the push-ups, you will allow yourself to have a better shape of your body. You might have a few questions as what is the proper way to do it. Before we get into it, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and press the bell notification. Alright, let's discuss it in details then. The proper push-ups. Unlike every other exercise, push-ups must be performed in a way that they are as they have to be. Your body must be engaged with your core, which can allow you to add a balanced pressure on your back, shoulders, arms, chest, abdomen, and wrist. While doing the push-ups, you must be careful of the following things. Number 1, your back must be straight and your core must be engaged. Number 2, keep your buttocks low, as it would make an inclined plane. Number 3, your body forms a straight line from legs till the back. Keep your back safe from any arch. There are few different varieties of push-ups that allow you to get into the groove and perform the other ones also. They are as follows. Number 1, half push-ups. You can give different names to it, but half push-ups are one of the easiest push-ups to do. No matter what age you are, if you are just a starter, start from the half push-ups. Number 2, rolling push-ups. Once you strengthen your push-ups, this one is the point where you can start a different kind of push-ups. To perform push-up, all you need to do is to begin by making a simple push-up. Once you lift your back, take your hand to left and stand with both hands on the floor, and your chest opens to the sky. Now, take your right hand and perform the loop in the same way. This time, your both hands will be on the floor, and so you will be in the perfect position to make a push-up. The workout will put extra pressure on the hands and will allow you to have better toning of your muscles. Number 3, push-up with hip abduction. This exercise is quite similar to ordinary push-ups. However, it will enable you to add extra pressure on your abdomen, arms, and shoulders. To do this exercise, follow the standard push-up position. Once you are in a situation, take one leg and lift it in the sky. Take it further in the opposite direction, and once you are done with it, put your leg back into the resting position as the other one. The exercise is best for the upper body strength, and it also allows you to get more power with your muscles and core. Takeaways and cautions. With every workout, you need to be aware of what you do and don't. Especially with push-ups, you can attain a certain amount of fitness that will allow you to push yourself harder. However, you will find that you are comfortable with the push-ups and you are not burning more calories. It is the best time to add a few more exercises in your list and improve your workout. With extra weight or different kinds of push-ups will allow you to have a more firm core. With every movement, there is always an aspect of caution. If you follow the correct way of doing push-ups, you will never have any injury. However, you must know before if you have back issues or problem with your wrist. It is always better to consult with your doctor or physician in these cases. It will be best if you continued an exercise with its repetitions to have better and long-lasting results. While performing push-ups, always look to add 1 or 2 every day or every week. It will allow you to add more and more to your account. The last advice, always do the workout either it is more or less. The results always follow with repetitions and continuous patterns. This ends our video on push-ups, and I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and tell us in a comment what you would like to see next. Take care and have a great day, and stay healthy and harmonious.